Welcome to Cooking with Andrea. This show is brought to you by Argo, 100% pure cornstarch, used for smoother gravies, sauces, puddings, and everyday baking. Visit us on the web at argostarch.com.
I love Joy of Cooking Cookbook. It answers all of my cooking questions and gives me great recipe ideas.
The new edition of the Joy of Cooking Cookbook.
Welcome to Cooking with Andrea. Today we're going to be making homemade vanilla pudding. The first step in making homemade vanilla pudding is incorporating the cornstarch and the sugar in a small or medium-sized saucepan. Here we have 1/2 cup of sugar and 3½ tablespoons of cornstarch. We will incorporate them together with the whisk. Once they are incorporated, we will add 1/2 cup of 1/2 and 1/2, and mix into a runny paste. And now we will add our 2 3/4 cups of whole milk. And we will turn on our burner to medium heat and stir until our solution is warmed and slightly thickened. When it's almost as thick as you want it, we will add our salt, which is 1/8 teaspoon, and mix it thoroughly. You can see how thick the paste is becoming, but it's not quite thick enough. Okay, I think that's thick enough now. We'll turn off our source of heat and add 3½ teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. Now that everything is in, we're ready to pour it into our glass container. It will cool in the refrigerator for 2 hours minimum, or up to 24 hours. But before we put it in, we need to put some cellophane over the top so a skin does not form. Now we'll put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. You can see that there is no skin formed on top because we put cellophane on the top. This has been Cooking with Andrea. with homemade vanilla pudding.